Question 21, paper 1, million to November 2011. The diagram is the speed time graph of the last 100 seconds of a train journey. Calculate the train's retardation during the last 10 seconds of the journey. So last 10 minutes is the retardation, and retardation is the slowing down of the train until it's come to the rest, and retardation start from when the time was 90 and the speed was 50 meter per second, and finally when it reached to the rest the time was 100 and the speed was 0. So the retardation is the slope of the line. Must be, or we write retardation is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So y2 is, if we consider is x1, so it will be y1, and if it is x2, it must be y2. So the y2 is 0 minus y1 is 50, and the x2 is 100 and the x1 is 90. So it becomes minus 50 upon 10. So the retardation becomes minus 5 meter per second square. Or we write minus 5 meter per second square. Part B. Calculate the distance traveled in 100 seconds. It shows that in speed time graph, the distance is the area of this figure. So we can divide this figure into two shapes for which we can get the area. These two lines are parallel and these two lines are not parallel, so it is area of it is trapezium, and the area of trapezium is 1 upon 2 L1 plus L2 multiplied by height. So the height will be this, the distance between the two parallel lines, this is the height, and this may be L1 and two parallel L1 and L2, and this area is area A and it is area B. B is triangle, so it is area of triangle. So the area of trapezium plus area of triangle is the total distance traveled from 0 to 100 seconds. So the area of trapezium is 1 upon 2 L1 plus L2 multiplied by height plus area of triangle is 1 upon 2 base into height. Now move forward. So 1 upon 2 is same L1. This is L1 and it is 50 plus this is L2 is 20 multiplied by height. The distance between the two is 90 plus half. Base is 10. This is base and it is 10 and the height is 50. So when we simplify it, it becomes 1 upon 2 70 multiplied by 90 plus half divided by 2 was 2, 225 is 50. So 25 multiplied by 10 is 250. It can also be simplified as it is 70. 2 ones are 2, 235 is 70, 2 3 is 65. So it becomes 35 multiplied by 90 plus 250. So 35 multiplied by 90 is 0, 0, 9 plus 45, 4 is carry, and 3 is 27 and 4 31. So it is 0, 5, 3, 1. So 3150 plus 250 is 0, 0, 0, 5, 5, 10, 0, 1 is carry 4 and so 3400 meter is the total distance traveled during 100 seconds. Quite the question. Still, you face any problem, you can recommend